is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. And this is Bailey. We're here to tell you it's our favorite time of the week. It's Tablescape Tuesday. Guess who our fabulous hosts are? Yes, it's the Grace Lives DIY and Amethyst Adventure. Check out my description box to go visit their channel. Hello, our guest host today is the Fabulous Creations by Simone. Go check out her channel. Go check out the hosts in my description box. And go check out the playlist for more Tisket Tasket tablescapes. Okay, a Tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I dropped a letter to my love. This is my tablescape for the Tisket Tasket tablescape. I'll show you what I've done. First of all, I started out with this sunflower plate, and of course the yellow, and gold chargers, and gold, and our gold silverware. This is our green napkin on this side. Our gold charger. The plates are Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Amazon for the napkins, Amazon for the tablecloth, Amazon for the table runner. At home from the glasses after Christmas. The teapot was thrifted at the same time as this basket. This was thrifted and thrift flipped because I redid the basket. And the flowers were from Michael's. And our beautiful table runner that says, "Hello, sunshine," that came from Amazon as well. My goal when I did the centerpiece is I wanted to make it look like I was out picking flowers and trying to arrange them in this quart jar. And that I just put the flowers in there until I could come into the house and arrange them. And of course, I had to add my teapot for a spot of tea. And I do have my note for my love. And I'll show you what I did on the other side because I did the place settings a little different. Okay, on this side of the arrangement, you can still see the flowers that I'm trying to arrange in the jar. And the flowers that I picked. And of course, I still have the same place setting. The only thing I did change up the color of the napkin. Let me know if you like the yellow napkin or the green better. But I did changed up the napkin color over here.